Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, beautiful day. How you guys doing? We have to fix our stage background thing. So when I update my stage, I update it and it's bool editor. I need to send that in because I don't want to move the background. I think I'll do if editor. So then I'll just update the background as if it's not the editor, because what I do if I load this is the editor now, and now it shouldn't move. So we have no background. Let's load our little map, our regular map. We have this and we have this little background here. Alright, and it's cool but that it's not here. I mean, it's only meant for the screen anyway, so that's no biggie. And the thing is that I want to be able to do this. I want to well, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? I actually just want to have that happen as I create it in game. So I think when I create my thing here, what I'm going to do is this background dot set size, just the vector 2f wingman background size, wingman background size, just the regular stuff. Just set the size right there. Don't have to set any position or anything. As long as I can see it, as long as I can see what background is where, then we're good. I mean, if I just do this, if I say, what was it, Control G, and just set it to 0, I mean, we can still draw. It didn't show me that though. But what if I make a new map? Okay, and then I do a new thingy 2. It does not show yet. Okay, so what is the difference when I load the stage? When I load the stage, I set the size X and the index. I create a texture rect. I create the texture. I set a texture, and I add it to. Oh yeah, I add it to the background. That's what I do. That's why it doesn't work. Because there is no background. But what if I draw? If it's the editor, if editor else do this. This is the game drawing the background. This is the editor drawing the background. So this or target dot draw editor. No, what am I doing? This background, just the background, not the scrolling background. So I have that. I have that. That's good. I set the size. I actually do want to set the texture rect as well, and just because all of those are okay, let me do that. Texture rect. Let me set the texture rect to the size of this thingy, just like that. And if I run this now, I might just have a texture appear now. Yep, I did, and it's just 0. It doesn't have anything yet. I didn't set a texture to anything. It's just being drawn. And if I do Control G and I say 2, I set the texture to 2. Okay, so now we know what background texture I'm gonna have. And if I make a new map called lil 2 1020. Wait, what the hell did I? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, dude. How the hell do I do this? What did I press? F10, F12, F11. Good Lord have mercy, dude. Good Lord have mercy. Did I press, what button did I press, dude? I don't know what I pressed. But I just want to, oh no, I don't want to close that, dude. Holy shit. I'm sorry about this, guys. I don't know what's happening. Alt F4, no. Good Lord have mercy. What if I do this now? I hope it's normal. I think it's normal. Oh, thank God. Okay. So that's good. Now, as I make the new map, that's good. I can draw which background I want to save. And as I save the stage, I save this background index. That's good. What about this? It is 0 though. That's weird. This no. Stage background textures. I mentioned this background index. I could do that. And then this background dot set texture, just so we have a texture. And since this is a rectangle shape, its set texture function takes a pointer, so we have to kind of do the ampersand thing right there. That's good. That's not too bad. And now we have a way to save stuff, right? So we have a way to save stuff. Now, as I make the new map, I'm wondering, what do you guys think? Should I wish I could hear you, because should I kind of set the, this doesn't help set the size of the thing, right? No. Select background. Alright, so if we go into game map maker, init map, and then update, that's good. Alright. If I pressed G, select background and background size. What if I just made one function for all of this? New stage, load stage, void, set background. Just set background, and then copy, paste it beneath load stage, right here. Game map maker, and that will let us just keep this clean. The controls thingy will be clean. We'll just take this, all of this. No, all of this. And then this set background like that. And then whoops. That's where I want it. So in choice, we'll do background index. Are you serious? It's 0 to, because I don't understand why it's 24. Look how many I have. I have up to 12. So it's doing double that. It's doing double that. And is it a D array? This is something I have to check. When I initialize it, while getLine, okay, so I mean it is, I mean it should get it. The size, I mean, what does the size return? It's a dynamic array. D array. Size. Where's the size function? Size function. It does work, obviously, because it's number of elements. So I don't know why it has double the number of elements. So that's kind of weird. But if I go into backgrounds.txt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously it's 12. That's weird. That's really weird. That's really weird that it says 24. So what if I set it to something like that, and I just take this and draw, make a new map. No, I didn't have to do that. I I don't have to do that. I wanna just, who cares about this? Control G, that's what I want. Let's select 15. Okay. Control G 25. Control G 24. Control G 24. Control G 23. Control G 11. It broke. Control G. It broke. Oh my god. Good Lord have mercy. Now we gotta see Control G. Control G 11. It broke. It broke. God. That's weird. What about Control G 10? I'm sorry about this, guys and girls. This video is just about testing. For some reason, I don't want that. 10. It said it. Control G 9. That worked. But Control G 10. Oh wait. It did? 11 work now? Oh wow, this is so freaking weird, dude. I don't know what the hell's going on. We do temp and we just add it to temp and I clear the string, and while I'm getting the line, do I run init textures twice? Oh, it runs twice. Okay. It runs twice. It runs twice. I understand, because I do it in initialize here. Initialize here. Init textures. And I do it in there. But what about in main before I even do anything? Maybe I should just initialize all the textures right here as I make the game. Because these are like two different thingies. I don't want to run it twice. That's not something I want to do. What if we do this wingman in it? But wingman doesn't have all the stuff that we need, but wingman static void init textures. What if we do it in wingman? This is just gonna be really bad, I guess, but this is CPP static wingman. Oh my god, this is gonna suck. Okay, so we remove that thing from game. All we do is before we make even a game, we say wingman init textures. That's all we do. We go in a game, we're in the texture, and when we go into init textures, init map, init textures, right here, we can remove this. We can take all of these and then just put that in here. But oh yeah, wingman doesn't have any of these, so that's the issue. Okay, that won't work. I wish, but we'll keep that there anyway and remove it from here. But we'll just have to live with that for now, I guess. We'll just live with that, and we'll say that we can save a map. But let's just make a map. Let's say quickly how, see if that works.